The ECP is a constitutional body, and amongst its duties are those mentioned in the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, Article 219E of which stipulates that ECP must also undertake such functions as prescribed by law, which would include those mentioned in the Act. Section 208 of the Act mandates that political parties must hold intra-party elections periodically, and that a period not exceeding 5 years elapse within 2 elections. It further stipulates that every member of a political party, quote, be provided with an equal opportunity of contesting election for any political party office. Unquote. Members of PTI were not provided nomination papers when they went to get them, nor were any intra-party elections held. Incidentally, the notice issued by PTI Secretariat that their elections were to be held in Peshawar, but did not mention the venue. And then the venue was shifted to Chamkani, which is a village adjacent to Peshawar. Neither before the Lahore High Court nor before the Peshawar High Court any provision of the Act, including Section 215(5), was challenged.